very quickly at the start, moving upon a young Serene for Gold. Star Colony getting the white strip. His entry number 8, and this one is Smooth Strike. Hugadera comes next. Firehouse, Son of the Wind. While naman is the early trailer, and going along for the first turn, we have Aim for Gold, the early leader by about 2. Moving upon the outside, Smooth Strike. Down on the inside is Star Colony. Next online, Hugadera. Firehouse, My Little Africa, running alongside Son of the Wind, while naman is still in behind them. Half-mile distance they traveled. We have Aim for Gold by Lincoln Hub. Smooth Strike in second, getting closer now in third is Hugadera. Star Colony remains in fourth. Firehouse moving upon the outside, My Little Africa, then followed by Sound of the Wind, while naman is still in behind them. Another far turn, we have Smooth Strike, moves up on the outside by a length, dropping back in second is Hugadera. Aim for Gold is in third, then moving up now Star Colony, Firehouse, and they are now entering the home stretch. We have Smooth Strike, this time by about 3. Hugadera in second. Star Colony is down third with about 150 meters more to run. We have Smooth Strike, this time draws clear by about 5, followed by Hugadera in second, and finally it's Smooth Strike. Second, Hugadera. Third goes to Firehouse, Star Colony, and naman.